Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making kangaroo burgers. So we have about a pound of beautiful ground kangaroo, and as you can see, it's pretty lean. So what we need to do is mix it with about half a pound of fatty ground beef, about 27% fat. Then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of beef tallow and also 2 tablespoons of the Big Swede Barbecue Badass beef. Now when everything is mixed thoroughly, it's time to shape it into beautiful round burger patties and season both sides with the Big Swede Barbecue Badass beef. Now when the burgers are seasoned, it's time to set up the grill to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to smoke these burgers until they reach an inner temperature of about 115 degrees. While we're waiting for the burgers to get up to temp, it's now time to prepare the beet dressing, because you can't have a good kangaroo burger without great beets. Start by finely chopping apples and beets in vinegar until you have a cup of each. Then you want to mix this with 2 parts creme fraiche, 1 part mayo, and stir until thoroughly mixed. Last but not least, you want to add about a tablespoon of the Badass Veggie boost. The burgers now have an inner temperature of 110 degrees. It's time to remove them from the grill, cover them with a little bit of aluminum foil and a dollop of butter. And now it's time to crank up the heat on the grill to 550 degrees, and we're also going to insert some grill grate. The grill grates are now hot, so it's time to sear the burgers. And remember, you don't have to cook them through, you just want to give them some good sear marks. So sear the burgers about a minute per side, and also place a slice of cheese on top. You also want to spray some duck fat on a brioche bun and grill that for about a minute. And finally, you can't have a kangaroo burger without the fried egg. So crack an egg in a heated cast iron pan and cook it until your preferred doneness. Next, it's time to plate the kangaroo burgers. Start with some spinach leaves at the bottom of the burger. Then you want to spread the beet dressing. Top that with the burger. Add a little bit of white onion. And then finally, the fried egg. And that is how you make a kangaroo burger with a beef dressing and fried egg. I hope you like this recipe, and here we go. Oh, come on. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.